Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we will explain you how you can create a VIP flow, so let's jump right into it. First we have to log into your Klaviyo account, and once you are logged in you will land on the home page on the left side. You will see an audience button, so click on it, and under that you will see the list and segment option. Now click on list and segment, and then click on create a new segment. When the segment builder opens, give it a name like VIP segment. Now set a condition based on what someone has done or not done. Choose the metric called placed order, and set it to is greater than 2 within the last 90 days. This will be your first condition. Now you need to add one more condition, so click on and add a filter that says if someone is or is not suppressed for email, set this to is not suppressed. After adding both conditions, click on create segment. It might take a little time to process, and once it is done your segment will be ready. Now go back to the dashboard and click on flows, then click on create flow and choose create from scratch. Give your flow a name like VIP flow and hit the create flow button. Now select the trigger for this flow as segment and choose the VIP segment you just created. Now it is time to add actions to your flow. First drag in an email, then add a time delay and set it to 24 hours. After that add another email, then again a time delay of 24 hours, and finally place one last email in the sequence. Now go to the top and click on Trigger Settings, then click on Flow Filters, and add a filter condition based on what someone has done or not done. Choose the metric placed order, and set it to 0 times since starting this flow. This condition ensures that people who already placed an order again will not receive the emails unnecessarily. Click on Update Action to save everything. Now your VIP flow is fully set up, and if you go back to your home page, you will be able to see it live and ready to run.